Yes, student. So here you can see I'm going to teach you about while loop. This is our first statement of iteration statement. So the definition of while loop is it is used to execute a block of statement as long as a given condition is true. And when the condition become false, so the control will be come out of the loop. The condition is checked every time at the beginning of the loop. So this is the definition. You can understand this with help of this flow chart. You can see into this flow chart. For example, we enter into the while loop. So what happened? When we enter into the while loop, so it is first test the expression. Test expression means any condition which you keep inside the test expression. So that condition may be true or false. So like the condition is true. So if the condition is true, so then body of while will be executed. Any statement, any program which you return there, it will be executed. Then the program flow will be again go to into the test expression. Once again, the test expression will be checked the test condition. If it is true, so again the same code, same statement will be executed. And then your program flow will be go into the test expression. So that process will be repeat again and again until your test expression, your condition is true. If your condition has been become false, so then the flow will be changed and then your program will be exit from your loop and program will be closed. So this is the flow of your while loop. Clear to all? So I think you all understand this. What is the while loop? So it is used to execute a block of a statement as long as a given condition is true. So you have to keep the condition. Without the condition, you can never create your program. And when the condition become false, the control will come out of the loop. So you can see there, so your condition become false, so your program will be what? Come out the loop. So it will come out from your loop body and your program will be exit. And the condition is checked every time at the beginning of the loop. So first you have to put the condition. So that is the first place. So first it will check the condition, then after you can execute the loop body. If you never keep the condition, so your program will be not execute anything, means it is not the while loop. Clear? So this is the syntax. You can see this is the syntax. This is the format of while. So where you have to use the keyword while. This is the keyword when you want to create your program with help of the while statement. So first you have to use the while. You can see there, this is the while statement, while keyword. Then you will put the condition there, and after this condition put the colon, and then you have to use the statement which you want to execute. So this is the syntax. I think you all understood what is the syntax and the definition and working. This is the working of your loop. Clear? Now I am creating a program there. I want to execute 1 to 4 number. What I want to execute? I want to execute 1 to 4 number. 1. This is the output you can see. I want to execute 1, 2, 3, 4. So this program I want to create with help of while loop. So how you can create this? So understand this. So first you have to initialize a variable. Clear? This is the initialization. I initialize x equal 1 because I want to execute number from the 1. Initialization. This is the initial number. Your initial number is 1. So that's why I assign into the x variable 1. Clear? Next, you have to put the while. This is the keyword. And then I want to execute the number up to 4. So that's why I put the condition the x will be executed whenever it will not become equal to 4 or it is less than 4. So the program will be executed again and again. So that's why I put there x should be less than equal 4. So if that condition is true, so your loop body will be execute again and again. When that condition become false, so your loop body means this statement will be never execute. So there I put the condition x less than equal 4. Clear? And then what you want to execute? I want to execute print x. Which value are stored into the x that will be executed. Clear? So the x value will be executed. And then I want to update the x value. Once value is executed, so then it will update the value of x. How much I want to update? I want to increase my value by 1. So that's why I put the expression x plus 1 and then I want to update x. So that's why there is x. And then after program loop will be again move into the condition. So now you understood this. Look at here. X equal 1. Clear? 1 is less than equal 4. Yes, that is true. Condition become true. So then the loop body will be executed. In a x we have 1. So that's why 1 will be executed. Now the next, what happened? 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 will be become 2. Okay. So there x variable value has been changed. That is 2. So now the loop body, the condition will be again checked. So there 2 is less than 4. Yes, that is also become true. So then the 2 will be executed. Print 2, print x means 2 will be executed. So there you can see here what 2 will be executed. Now 2 plus 1 will be become 3. Again it tells 3 is less than 4. Yes, that is true. So then 3 will be executed. You can see there 3 will be executed. And next 3 plus 1 will be become 4. So now the 4 is less than equal 4. Yes, that is true. So then print x means 4 will be executed. And 4 plus 1 will be become 5. So now the condition will be checked and 5 is less than equal 4. So that condition become false. So our loop body will be never execute. So only you will get the number from 1 to 4. So this is the process to create a iteration program with help of the while. So we can create such type of program easily with help of the while loop. So I think you all understood. You first note down the side heading while loop, its definition, next is syntax, and also create the program. Clear? And you also understood with help of the flowchart. Clear?